Hi and hello, welcome to everyone. I'm here again with in front of you, with another tutorials in MS Project, and this is basically how to take printouts in MS Project. Friends, many of us at many time struggle taking a printout in MS Project. It's because MS Project is a software that is quite different from all other MS softwares like Excel or Word. And the data which we key in an MS Project is not only the data which is taken printout, because MS Project as a dynamic software generates lots of data. You just create one row, the whole thing gets created, dates, status and everything, because it is a dynamic sort of software. And people those who use it, basically they might be knowing it. So when you take a printout, there are a lot of other things which is going to come in the print. It is not that, because in Word whatever you type, whatever you key in, or in Excel whatever you key in, only those things will be in the screen, and as a result when you take a printout that much will come. Okay, but now when you deal with the software like MS Project, it's different. I have seen and come across with many of my colleagues, or you can say people working alongside, when they are told to take a printout, they struggle. The data are not coming as per the requirement, as per the date of the plan or as date of the schedule or the status report of the project and all. So we generally find this is a problem. But I have also come across this, and such things are not there. Such things. There are some guidelines, some tutorials in the books or wherever you go. You'll find that this is how the prints are taken. But when you really do it in your computer, then you probably miss the tricks and you don't find how it is coming. You will see the print preview is different. The exact data in the software it is different, and when you take a printout it's different. So for that, because since I have experienced it, I have come up with this video to help people those who are in this field or otherwise to how to take a printout of your own requirement and produce it to your stakeholders. So for that, let's go to my laptop interface, where I'm going to tell you how it is exactly done. I will show you how it is done, and after that I will also tell you how best you can use it. Okay, let's go to the video. Hi, this is the MS project screen. This is a very old project which just I have put it for here for demo purposes. But before going to the tricks of the printing thing, let me tell you that MS Project has got two set of layouts in its screen. One is the text layouts with all the informations, and on the right side you have the Gantt chart layouts. Right now, when you take printouts, we need it to sometimes the text only, and also sometimes both the text as well as the Gantt chart layout. There the issues are there when you want to take both printouts and in A4 paper or any other size paper. But friends, most of the time we need to take printout in larger size paper, that is A1 and A0, for the purpose of display or getting the entire project in a pictorial manner and for a display purpose, or sending a report to someone. In that sense we struggle, because generally the A0 and A1 printouts are taken in a plotter, and plotters are not ubiquitously available in our offices. So therefore we need to have them at least get it done by having a PDF format and take it outside, which can be in a cheaper manner, 100 or 50 rupees you can get a printout of A0 or A1. To do that, one thing is essential in your system, that is you must install PDF creator in your system, which is absolutely available free. So get that in your system, and then probably you're able to do that. So let's see how it is done. Go to File and see the print preview. Since it is having this already available, it is coming. I'll show you how it is coming. I'll go there, File, do the page setup, then I'll go here, Option. Then I have the option of A0 or A1, right? This can only happen when you have a PDF creator, right? Okay, you are getting the printout of A1. This you can send it for your from outside to get a printout of it. Okay, The other thing is Now you see a lot of information in the screen. And if I go to take a printout of in A4 paper the entire textual data as well as the Gantt layouts, so I'll just remove that paper size of A1, then I will come back to our regular size paper of A4. Yeah, here it is. Okay, so now I'll go for the print preview. So this is how it comes. Now if you see that if I just, it is the page 1 and then go down and go down, go down, go down, you don't have those Gantt charts here. It's only the textual informations. It's fine. But we need to have those Gantt charts also, because that gives them meaning, because the task dependency does not come here. The task dependencies comes here. People can see it pictorially and then take a judgment of it, how which task is linked to what and how in which order we need to complete it. This is not coming clear here. So you need to have those Gantt charts here, right? So how to do that? Let's go there, go back. Okay. Now also one more thing, that do you need so many information? Because as I told you earlier in my beginning, in my opening address, yeah, it means you need to go, key in a few information and MS Project generates a lot of information. These are the so like the remaining duration it is self-generated by MS Project. So to do that, we need to have those exact number of columns. First set them here. So if I don't need this remaining duration, let us hide it here today. And also resource name I don't need, my report doesn't need that, so I will hide that. So does I need duration? Yeah, I need duration, start and finish. Okay, any other for that matter. So this has now there. Now we need this 3 column. Anyway, the WBS coding is essential. The task names and the duration, start and finish. So you need to see whether this is coming or not. So I'll go there and take a print preview. Yeah, this is coming, but still now it is 1 of 180 size, numbers of seats. I've keep down, this is 180 page document, you see, and the informations are not there, and still it has got 180 page document. If I now give a printout to my printer in A4 size, 180 page paper are going to get wasted. Do I need to do that? No. And if you see that there are certain things in the right of the screen, just see that, see the screens are there, see this, there are screens, see. So we need to really required to take a printout of what is required. So let's go back. Yeah, now to take Gantt chart in each page, let us do, we need to scale this Gantt chart layout in such a manner that it has to come in one page, right? Right click, then zoom, see, let us see the entire project. Okay, now the Gantt chart is in the screen, it is visible, in one page. Let's see whether it is coming in the print layout. Still it is not there, right? There is, and the number of pages has gone from come down to 72 pages. It still is 72 page document. Actually, it is not a 72 page document. Because of the Gantt extension in the right side, you have those number of pages gone up. But you need to exactly to your text, that is the number of rows and all. So maybe it will be somewhere around 36 pages. So let's go and see how it can be done in the 36 page. So close it again. So just go here, you need to go right click and the times, click in the time scale and reduce. Here it is 111%. So let us reduce it to something okay here and do it okay. Now let's go and see how it is coming. It's not there, there is some issue. It is because of issue like the memory and all issues are there. So that's why let's go back again and reduce it to another means down below somewhere it is a time scale. So go back to 60. Yeah, okay. Now let's see it here. See, to free of available memory, in that case what you need to do, that just close it. Okay, this thing will happen because as you are scaling down it, it will come like that. So you do one thing, close the whole thing, okay, go back, reopen the whole thing, okay. Now you just see file and print preview. See it. In the very first page you have got the Gantt page, right? This is what you do, and you see this in the left corner you have only 36 page. So basically your data is of 36 page. It is not a data of 180 page as it was coming earlier, and also in the 72 page. So that is what you have to do. So friend, you might now, if you go down, 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 and then you see every page has got this Gantt chart. We are at page number 36 of 36. So this is how it can be done. So basically the whole purpose of doing this is to to see this how this data and Gantt charts can be adjusted to different size of paper. So I think this might have helped you getting customizing your report or customizing your screen to the exact requirement of within the boundary of the paper size. So but there are many other tips which I will also come in my next videos. So that's it, friend. So friends, you saw how it is done, because why I got to this point is basically these things are not there in the MS tutorials or in any books or something like that. I have learned it basically by testing and trial error and keep on learning about it and how best it can be taken printout. So all those tricks what I've shown you there in my laptop is I used it. And the process I learned it, mastered it. So basically I believe such videos, the things which I have shown you today will help you, taking good printouts and making good reports and which you can always send to your stakeholders and get appreciation of that, And because this is a genuine thing. I had similar issues when I was young and taking printouts. I was my boss will tell me take printouts of this. It should come like this. Then I will have something else, and it is a wastage of paper and time. And it's again difficult when there is you have shortage of time and you immediately produce something. So friends, thanks for sharing this, watching this video with me. So I'll come up with many such things in future. So please do join and share my channels, subscribe to it, and also share this video with your friends, those who are working in this field, and also press the like button and also the bell icon so that any new video will you'll get the notification, and then again we'll share the screen. So thanks for watching.